Good morning to all of my students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area, Class 9 Chemistry. So, in a big city, there is a big problem for the people to get clean water for their various activities like washing, cleaning, drinking. This problem is impacted. This is the prime responsibility of the state government to provide the water to common people. So what government does to provide purified water, the government department of water takes the water, raw water from the river or lake. First of all, in the here itself there is a iron net is provided for the physical treatment of the water. I mean to say, if there is a heavier things are present, that will be stopped before water goes drawn by the pump. So raw water is taken either from the river or lake by the physical treatment, and then it is sent to this raw water or lake water is sent to the sedimentation tank, where the heavier particles present in the water is settled down. Heavier particles are settling down. However, the lighter particles remain suspended all along the water. So these lighter particles do not settle down in the sedimentation tank. In a sedimentation tank, only the heavier particles are settling down. Now, for the lighter particle, this water is sent to loading tank. In this loading tank, calculated amount of alum is added. Alum helps to settling down the finer particles. Yet, maybe some particles are present which is unable to settle down even in a loading tank. Then water is passed through a layer of sand and gravel, and this tank is called loading tank. Filtration tank. This tank is called filtration tank. Here there is a layer of sand and gravel, so all the water is passed through this. By passing through the gravel and sand, then so water coming from the loading tank, in a loading tank, a small amount of alum or calculated amount of alum is added. It helps to settling down the finer particles. Yet some particles are, however, remain. That is, this water is a pass through after loading tank. It is a pass through the filtration tank. It is called filtration tank because the water is a pass through a layer of a sand and gravel. So all the even the very fine particles are trapped by a layer of a sand and gravel. Now, physically water is clean, but yet it is not fit for drinking purpose. By looking it looks pure water, but yet it may contain some microorganism looking it is clean, but yet it may contain some microorganism. So in order to kill those microorganism, this after the filtration tank, this water is sent to the chlorination tank. Here chlorine is added or calculated amount of a bleaching powder is added in order to kill the germs, in order to kill the microorganisms. Now after the treatment of this, after the chlorination tank, the water is sent to overhead tank. Water is sent to overhead tank, which you often see in our city. There is a overhead tank. With the help of the network of pipe, with the help of network of pipe, it is sent to door to door. It is sent to door to door. So once again, first step what we follow, sedimentation. First, here there is a physical treatment takes place by the filter. Here there is a iron net is placed before it is drawn water from the river or lake. After that, the first step is the sedimentation. So this tank is called sedimentation tank. In this tank, the heavier particles are settling down. However, the lighter particles remain suspended in the water. So again this water is sent into the loading tank. Here calculated amount of alum is added so that the finer particles can settle down. However, maybe yet very fine particles may not be settled with the help of the alum or in a loading tank. Then this water is passed through a layer of a sand and gravel, and this tank is called filtration tank. So now all sorts of impurities except the microorganism or germs, the water is clean, since it is a pure, but yet it contains some microorganisms or germs which is not good for especially the drinking purpose or cooking purpose. So before it is sent to the overhead tank, it is a pass through the chlorination tank. In the chlorination tank, either we pass chlorine gas or we are adding calculated amount of bleaching powder, and then after this the water is sent to the overhead tank, and with the help of the network of pipe it is sent door to door. This is called city water supply process. City water treatment. This process is called city water treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.